In this video, I'm going to be dissecting for you a $42 billion per year market, and specifically a store in this market that's scaling ridiculously fast through the power of meta ads. So I'm going to dissect the strategy. I'm going to show you a lot of really interesting data, and I'm going to make it very actionable for you so that you have some good knowledge to take away from it. So this store right here is called Purely Nutrient, and they sell a black seed oil supplement, specifically an Ethiopian black seed oil supplement. Now, this is a part of the larger herbal supplements market, which back in 2024 it was estimated at 42 billion, but it's expected to grow to over 90 billion by 2033, which honestly is not even that far away. Time is just flying by. And honestly, this market makes a lot of sense as more people become doubtful of traditional medical, just healthcare, the healthcare sector. People are skeptical. It's expensive also. So maybe even if you're not skeptical, it can be very expensive. So people want preventative things. Now, as you see, the first thing that we can learn from them is a beautiful offer. So buy one, buy two, get one free, buy three, get two free. It's extremely simple and it works, right? So these guys have scaled to, my estimate is over $1 million a month. The reason why is because they have over 400 active ads, which we'll go over, but also because I've actually scaled brands like this at my agency, like at least 10 brands like this, and they all follow this very similar trajectory. These kind of brands can be extremely explosive. So if you have a brand like this, hit me up. I'd love to help you out. Even if you just want to join us in my Discord at shopilab.ai, I'd love to connect. But yeah, that's one of the things. So I'll show you how you can actually run your ads to see this sort of explosive growth. But that's the first key, is actually just like a really good offer, which they have. Now, they do things a little bit gray hat for sure. For example, they tell you here that they are locking you into a subscription for 30 days, but you can pause anytime. It's at $40. That's the subscription. So they're building MRR. But one of the most interesting things about this, first of all, it's beautifully branded. Again, really good offer. But the second thing is just the mechanism that they used, right? It's not just normal black seed oil, it's actually Ethiopian black seed oil. So because of that, it makes you a lot more intrigued and kind of makes you trust it more for some reason, just because it's something you've probably never heard of. And then of course they do a good job at, putting it against other things. Again, I'm not a scientist. I'm not here trying to dissect the validity of all this. I'm just looking at it purely from the e-commerce side of things and the market, global capital markets. That's kind of my two things that I really enjoy. And yeah, very, very good landing page, super simple, a lot of FAQs to basically do the objection handling for your people that are skeptical of buying, right? So that's what you want to do pretty much for any Shopify store. And then they have this like beautiful offer again. So special offer available, act now, buy one, get one free. So boom. It takes us back up here to the buy two, get one free, which also gives you like a free PDF. Last thing I want to say about their lander, beautiful images, right? These are incredible images. And I'll show you actually how you can make images like this. So through my agency team, we have a studio inside the agency where we're building a lot of cool projects. And one of those projects is called DraftPie. So what I've done is I took a supplier image. So I found a supplier for free. I have a global sourcing agent that I use and that I provide for our accelerator members as well, where you can basically just start for free. So it's literally free to use this, and you can brand your products. You can do whatever you want. But here's a product, for example. It's a sea moss, black seed oil, and ashwagandha and ginger capsule, which is actually insane. Like, this is a great supplement. Of course, you want to make sure you talk to the supplier through WhatsApp here. But again, I'll leave you the link to this platform in the description. It's literally 100% free. And it's about $1.74. And basically what I've done is I've taken the supplier image and I put it in DraftPie here. I just copy pasted it. I'll just show you, boom, paste it right there. And I said, generate a middle-aged mom model holding this bottle with a studio background. That's all I did, right? And it created this beautiful image. This one is also beautiful. And I mean, yeah, I think this is great. And you can get pretty crazy with it. You can literally just copy paste whatever image in here and it can replicate it with your product. You can do this for ads. You can do this for whatever you want. And that's basically why we created this for the agency, so that even I could create ads without needing a creative strategist or anything. But basically, that's one cool thing you can do, right? Is create incredible product images like this. That's the first thing you can replicate from this store. But here's the thing, right? You don't need to do things in a gray hat way. They are running a lot of really crazy ads. So let's dive into the ads. But then I'll also show you another brand in this space that is a lot smaller, but nevertheless, they're seeing a lot of success. So these guys, this is the brand that's scaling super fast, right? So this is the Purely Nutrient. They literally went from like 10,000 monthly visitors to like 400,000 within a month. So scaling incredibly fast, and they're running a lot of these really interesting ads. So I saw someone talk about this ad on Twitter. I'll show
it's
you.
me, your butthole. We need to have a serious talk because I am fighting for my life right now. Yesterday, you used half a roll. Wipe, 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 and look at the paper. Still fucking dirty. Do you have any idea what kind of trauma I'm going through? I'm practically glowing red. This isn't normal, buddy. There is a bacteria called H. pylori and microscopic parasites literally living in your stomach and intestines right now. They mess up your digestion, steal your nutrients.
So this is what you would call a top of funnel ad, right? So this is like just for everybody, and then slowly through the script it's getting deeper and deeper into the avatar and the problem that it's solving. And then of course I'm sure at the end here it'll introduce the actual supplement. So yeah, that's what you can do. You actually can generate clips too with DraftBuy using Kling, but I would recommend for videos to stick to Higgsfield still, just because Higgsfield is pretty good for that. But for images, DraftBuy is just goated. You can also put things in folders, which is cool. But anyways, that's basically the kind of ads that they're running that are doing the best. These are their top of funnel ads. And then they also have these top of funnel native ads, right? Where it's just like a crazy image, right? It looks disgusting. So it gets the scroll stop. And then just a long story of somebody that, kind of just, again, went through this same issue and found this as the result or the solution to their problem. So this is kind of the main type of ad that they run, which is pretty insane. And then you got some more bottom of the funnel ads like this one.
If you're thinking of taking Ethiopian black
which
seed
is
oil,
actually, yeah, so it's still like VSL style, which means like kind of a longer video sales letter. And yeah, this one's 2 minutes long, but you see it's more like targeted towards people that already know about the brand. So maybe people that are getting retargeted, for example.
Did you know you're not supposed to be taking it any time of the day? So just give me
So
2
yeah,
minutes.
it's kind of a good hook. We're not going to go through the whole thing because really what I'm trying to get you to understand is the structure of the ad account. Of course, they're taking the volume to like a ridiculous level, but you can create the same structure for your ad account even if you are doing it at a lower scale. So I'll show you an example here from Akemi. It's actually a Shopulab example. So Shopulab is our accelerator platform. It's a research platform. It's super cool. And that's where we host our community. So that's where I have a call with the group today. So I'll also leave the link to that in the description if you want, just so you know about it. This is not an ad. But basically what we've done here is we built a demo store that we started from scratch inside the community, and we are scaling it up slowly but surely. It's just a really chill project that we have going. And basically you can see the other day, we only run one campaign. So that's all you really need. Of course, you can have more if you want, but one is all you need. And then you just constantly need to be layering in these kinds of ads in your ad account, top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of the funnel. And of course, you can go crazy with the amount of ads that you launch, but you really don't need that many ads as long as they're good and as long as you are covering that whole entire funnel, like I just mentioned. And you can see basically the results, and this is what it looks like inside the campaign, right? So we have batches of ads that we're consistently running, we're testing, and we're turning off some ads here that are just like spending a lot but not getting any sales. That's pretty much the process, right? And you're just going to constantly launch new batches systematically. That's what we set up for stores at the agency ultimately. If you want to boil it down to a simple system, that's basically what it is. Now, I do want to show you one more thing. So here's the other brand, and actually a couple more things still, but this is the other brand I found on Google. These guys aren't even running a sale, right? So this is like super white hat. They're not even doing like compare at pricing. And I show you this because I just want to show you that, like some people have more loose ethical principles, right, when it comes to e-com. Some people have very strict ethical principles when it comes to e-com. And you can do both, right? So you can succeed with both. Of course, it might be tougher to succeed with a purely white hat approach where you're not even, faking a sale or anything, but these guys are doing it, right? So it's certainly possible. And they're doing the same kind of thing where they have these like really strong product images, super, super strong product images. And their traffic's not that crazy, like I mentioned. So they're not doing millions a month, but they're certainly doing probably like 50 to 80K a month, which is a really good level. Now, I did take a look at their ads and they're running 48 different ads. So as opposed to 400 different ads like these guys are running only 48, which is not bad. But they're actually promoting a different kind of product. It's a tallow balm, and they're going very heavy into, these like kind of, what's it called? I guess like blue collar worker angle. This is a beautiful lander. I really like it actually. This is super clean. And it seems to be working for them. They're stacking good MRR for their brand as well. So they have the subscription here, and that's the only option you get. Of course, what I would recommend for them as an audit here would be to launch some videos and launch also more like testimonial. They should launch native ads with their actual customer testimonials. They don't need to do fake native ads. And what native ads are ads like this that I showed you before, where it's kind of like it just looks like a normal picture. Well, not a normal picture, it's a scroll stopping picture, but then it's just a story about somebody that used the product or kind of struggled with a problem. And yeah, you can do the same thing with your testimonials, right? You could even ask one of your customers to send you like a story of how the product affected them, and that's one way to do this, like purely white hat and purely clean. So I highly suggest you do that. Now, if you're just starting your store, if you're watching this and you're not just watching this for the high level stuff, you're watching this to actually figure out what to launch, which is my goal. I want to get more people to launch stuff so that we can work with more of you as well at the agency, but also so that I can invest in you. I'm really looking to just fund operators, partner with operators, and just bring everybody in my ecosystem. But if you're just starting, I would highly suggest you use our store builder too, because it's literally free. There's a lot of store builders out there that are not free, and this one is more than good enough. We are using it on this store right here, actually. So it's the same theme. It's converting super well, and you can just get it for free. I'll leave the link in the description. That's pretty much about it. I do want to show you actually that black seed oils as a supplement is a super early search trend. So this is within a really big market, 42 billion plus. But this specific search trend, black seed oil supplement, it's still not getting as much demand as you may think. So it's still really, really early for it, especially if you can find new unique angles like they've done. The Ethiopian angle is so big, and it allowed them to scale extremely fast because it's a huge market. So the black seed oil demand is actually huge. 360,000 people every single month are looking into black seed oil. But supplement, it's super small. That's like very few people are looking at the supplement itself. At least they're not literally typing that. But to me, that means that it's still very early for the supplement angle specifically. But that's pretty much about it. I'll leave all the links to the resources that I mentioned in the description. I hope that you learned something from it. Of course, DM me on X, DM me on Instagram if you want to work with me, if you want any help with anything, or you want to work with our teams. Or again, if you're an operator, you want to join our community, whatever it is, just contact me and I'll send you, whatever resources you need. And basically, that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.